Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Well, we did it. We hit the 9,000 mark. Hey everybody, welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy, or should say back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. It always looks like, when I do these videos with my web camera, it always looks like I'm leaning to the one side. And as I'm watching it, everything's backwards because the plant you see, well, that's my right, but it's actually on the screen as I'm watching it's on my left. And my phone just went off. Probably heard that. Probably nobody important. It can wait. But there's another one, man. Why? Why is I'm recording? They must have heard me recording. But and the lighting's horrible. I'm sorry about that. But I just wanted to thank everybody for the 9,000 subscriptions. I started this channel 5 years ago, and I remember telling people I'll be surprised if I ever get 5,000, and I'm on my way to 10,000. Once you hit that 10,000, YouTube takes you a little more seriously. So I'm generally, genuinely, not generally, genuinely appreciative of all your support over the past 5 years. I didn't do a 5-year anniversary video because I really didn't have much to say. Not much was going on. Everybody's worried about the Rona. Everybody's still worried about the Rona. But I do truly appreciate it. I know some people wanted, we're asking about like doing a live stream, like a Q&A thing, where I get on a computer like this, just kind of be what you're seeing. And I'll be on YouTube, and you'll be able to leave like comments as I'm doing video stream, and I can reply to them, or you can ask questions, whatever. And it'll probably be at night though, because as you can see the lighting, this is this window over here, the sun sets, okay, and this window over here, the sun rises. So I'm thinking I'll probably have to be at night just to try to get the lighting right. And if you see that thing right back there, right there, I can take that off the wall. It's just kind of like hanging there. It's like a room divider I put behind me for a background. You know, unless this doesn't bother you, you can watch me inside my house or my mobile home or my trailer, or whatever you want to call it. I know some people get upset when you call them trailers or mobile homes. But this is pretty much what the live stream's going to look like. And if I do a video like this, this is what the video is going to look like. Okay, so you can see the difference. There'll be a little bit of editing. As you're watching this video, you'll see what the video is going to look like. And also, well, I took my glasses off for this because as you can see, I get like this reflection on them. I'm not really sure how to. Let's hold my head down like this and get it off. From I don't know if I can. No, see, I can't minimize. I'm using Wondershare right now to record this, and I really can't minimize it or anything. Yeah, so I mean, however long the live stream would go, you'd have to put up with it, the glaring. I don't know about you, but if I was watching it, it'd drive me crazy. You know, but I won't be able to see the comments if I don't. But if you're interested in something like that, let me know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know a good time, a good day, like, you know, a day through Monday through Sunday, you know. I prefer it like on a, probably midweek, maybe a Wednesday or a Sunday, you know. But whatever works for you guys. If you really want to get enough feedback on it, I'll do a live stream for y'all. This is going to be a short video. What are we up to? About 4 minutes. You know, I'm sorry for my rambling. But I wanted to take the time, thank you, touch base with you on the live stream, give you an idea of what it would look like if I did a live stream. So, I mean, just let me know. And I really am. I'm really grateful for everything you guys have done for me over the years. I'm thankful for all the people that, jumped on board and did videos with me, like the old dude and Cletus and Terry and Rocky, and your suggestions and your input, like suggestions and input from Mr. Randy Robinson and Christina Robinson. That's his wife. I love you too. Oh my God, you guys are awesome. You really are. And thanks to Southern Indiana especially. You guys have been more than welcoming over the last couple of years I've been here. Special thanks out to Pike County, Gibson County, Davies County, and there's one I'm forgetting. I'm sorry, I forgot your name. Oh man, people are gonna be like, you didn't mention us. I'm like, I'm sorry, I forgot your name. There's Davies, Gibson, Pike. I'm sorry. Oh God, terrible video. Okay. I'm working on editing video now, and I just remembered Boys County. I'm sorry, I forgot you guys, but I'll give you a little bonus. Come here, Blue Dog. Hold on a second. Come here. There. I should make it better. You got to say hi. You sniffing the mic. Say hi over this camera. Say hi, Blue Dog. No, what dog don't say hi, Blue Dog. You Blue Dog, just say hi. Okay, well, back to the video. And special thanks to all the folks in Winslow. Oh, I wish I could remember that county's name right now. I'm sorry, guys. You can chastise me down in the comment section. I'm sorry. But, yeah. But it's been fun. The past couple of years have been fun. It's been great meeting you people. Made some new friends. You guys, I probably met 1,000 of you by now in Southern Indiana. It's been a real pleasure. Now, don't get me wrong. Every time there's been some not so nice people, but it's less than 0.5%, maybe 5 people out of 1,000. So I ain't bad. I ain't a bad record right there. You guys got some good people, I'll tell you. But yeah, it's been real fun. I really enjoyed getting to know you. And special thanks for the people who helped me out with the Dead Man's Cemetery exploring stuff, and all the people not getting on me about, taking their time up and not having it being about survival on a budget, What does have to do with being on a budget? But I enjoy doing local videos, I really do. Getting to meet people. All right, I rambled long enough. Hope y'all have a great day. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. I'm not even going to try to guess where it's going to be. It's going to be in one of these upper corners somewhere, probably, maybe, who knows. And as always, thank you for watching.